Hey guys, I'm Jerusha and you're watching Jerusha Couture.tv. Today we are going to do a first impressions and a little pickup I just grabbed then, literally just then. And this just came in the mail, so I want to open it with you. I will quickly show you this. As usual, again, I have no light, it's the afternoon. It is just from a department store here in Australia, so it's just from Maya, and it is, of course, the Chanel Water Fresh Le Beige tint that I rave about. I have a TikTok or a reel or whatnot on my Instagram putting this on. This would have to be what I feel like is my 10th bottle, but I have to explain it to you because some girls asked and I just want to explain a little further in a video. This is what the Water Fresh tint comes like. So this is its packaging, and so it has your color on the top, and I've just pulled up the colors for you now, the shades I should say. It's an 8 shade range water tint. So essentially it's a BB cream. I have it on right now. I have it on every single day. It just evens the skin. It's like a drugstore BB cream except for double the price. Smells amazing. It comes out in a bead form, and I just put it on like moisturizer and drag it down my neck, and it just blends away. So this is what you get in it every single time. So here is the component, and there is the little stippling brush. I do not put it on with this, and I said that in that TikTok. I put it on with my hands, but you do get a little short kind of flat head angular stippling brush to really get in, I guess, around your eyes and things like that, and it really works it in. I prefer to use my hands. This is what the component looks like. It is, if you've ever had their Hydra Beauty Gel serum, sorry, it's exactly like that. So that's a component, and it's a pump component. And if this is gonna focus nicely, I will give you a dollop of that so you can see the beads hopefully in it. And then let's rub it out, and you just see it gives me a glow and just evens out with a bit of, you know, color. So it'd be like putting on a bronzer, but just in one nice swipe, and that's it. I cannot tell you, I haven't had it for a week and a half, 2 weeks, and I just picked this up now. So that was what I wanted to show you, that I just picked up again, then again, over and over and over again. And this came in the mail at the same time, and I wanted to do a first impressions, just unboxing, opening the package with you guys. I have not seen, oh cute, I have not seen this brand before in person. So celebrating 50 years of Hello Kitty, they, Maison de Sabre, specially developed our all luxury monogram pattern featured bow, hearts and apples, in addition with the new bags and bag charms. Oh my gosh. So let's show you this. So this is the Hello Kitty one. So they did this in collaboration with the anniversary of Hello Kitty, which was all through our malls. I'm sure it was all through your malls as well, and through all of the, look how tiny she is. Oh my gosh. Oh, cutie. Oh, it's really nice packaging. Look at her. I just got the regular Hello Kitty. There's many different, I will link to a few below, but there's many different faces. Wow, this is really good quality. It has Maison de Sabre here engraved. It has Hello Kitty Maison de Sabre on the back. And these again are all the offcuts from their leather, from the bags, and from the suitcases. Wow. Now they say, and look, there's this little date stamp on the top, and there was it in the gold foiling on the back. And she's a little zipper, and they say to put your air tag in here. Now Jerusha doesn't have an air tag. Jerusha loses everything and just relies on shouting at Siri. the attention to detail is absolutely beautiful. They also have their little made-in code down inside. It's just a fabric little lining, and I'm sure you can put a tic-tac in there. That's totally fine. Oh my god, so cute. So the bottom of her opens up, but she's a little bag charm. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's put her on something. Let's put her on something cute as well. This is perfect for that. Let's get this out. Perfect for Miss Hello Kitty. Oh wow, it's really, really beautiful, good quality hardware. She's so cute. She is so gorgeous. Oh wow, I love that. I love that. That is a beautiful collaboration. Let's leave her somewhere you can see. How about here? Excuse me, Chanel. How about there? Is that nice? Oh! Oh, she's so darn cute. Okay, so this is what I definitely... Let me get you a price for Miss Hello Kitty and the collaboration. So she came in at 95 Australian dollars. So, you know, on the higher end of the price tag. And what's interesting is this came in, it might have been on sale at 54.50 Australian dollars. And this is the sling phone case for the iPhone 14 Pro, which is what I have. And as I said, I looked at all the different cases, but I just decided I wanted to try a strap and a sling. And I chose to get it in charcoal. All my Prada cases have been in black. So this is the charcoal color. You can see it up against the foam. Wow. This is, again, brands like this are just attention to detail. Look at that card. That is so beautiful. Maison de Sabre. And I assume this is all the care card and the made, how it's made, what it's made of. And this is what they do best. So phone cases, handbags, luggage goods, and things like that. So you can see against my t-shirt, it's a charcoal, which is really nice. A bit different because I've had black for so long. The only thing I don't love, and then it's just got its keychain like that on a leather tab. And then it's got the little keychain there. This is all leather strap. And then you can adjust, I suppose, if you were going to put it around your neck or around your body. And then it's got the Maison de Sabre embossed there in the suede. And then we'll just attach the little cute hook, if we can do this, possibly. Oh, it has Maison de Sabre engraved around this actual hook as well, around the back of it. I'll see if I can get that for you. Probably not very well, but it just says it around here as well. That's really nice. Oh, cute. The only thing I don't love about cases like this is a shell. And it's not for protection. Obviously, my phone is so banged up. It's not for protection. This phone is clearly not protected. Look, it is one drop away from RIP, seriously. But a shell doesn't have buttons or, sorry, silicone over your buttons. So your buttons are exposed. Let me clip that on. So your buttons are exposed like that. Can you see? So you actually touch your buttons rather than touching, you know, like a gum on the side. That's just me, but and so yeah, it's kind of yes, you know what I mean. It's got a card case on the back, very, very cute. We'll see if a card nicely fits in there. Do I have, let me use theirs. Oh, perfect. So that's there. Oh, cute. That's designed, handcrafted. Designed and handcrafted in Australia. See, I knew it was Australian. That is so gorgeous. Premium products. Full grain leather. Wow, it really is beautiful leather. Look at that pebbled leather. And this is where you could keep, you know, train ticket, bus ticket, most used credit card, points card, things like that. And that would definitely, you know, stretch out to a nice sort of size, I think. I like this. I like the feeling of leather in my hands. I think that's the thing. Cute! And we can strap. Very cute. Very, very cute. And then if you didn't want this, the actual strap that it comes with, we can take that off and we can put charms. Ding! Of course, you can put a loop, a shorter loop charm, extortionate from Louis Vuitton if you wanted. Why not? But yeah, gorgeous. Wow, this is really cute. This brand is really cute. First impressions, love it. Love it. Okay guys, I just wanted to show you those two items. I hope everyone is doing really well. Take care. Peace.